Once your team is set up, you need to run it. Territory Track gives you two screens for that: the organization dashboard for how the team is doing, and Manager for the decisions only you can make. Start with the dashboard. Across the top, the numbers for the whole organization. Total leads, total revenue, conversion rate, how many people are on the team, orders written, and what your seats are costing you. 30 leads, 85,500 in revenue, and a 37% conversion rate across 3 reps. Seats again, because it's worth seeing next to performance. 4 paid for, 3 in use, 1 empty at $49 a month. When you're looking at what the team produced and what the team costs on the same screen, that empty seat is a lot harder to forget about. Rep performance is 1 card per person. Leads, conversions, orders, and revenue on the top row. Calls, emails, and store visits underneath, because activity is what predicts next quarter, not last quarter's revenue. And at the bottom, when they were last active. Riley has 12 leads and 36,400 in revenue. Sam is newer, 10 leads and 19,600. You can see who's carrying what at a glance. The leaderboard ranks the same people 4 different ways. By revenue, Riley is out front. Switch it to leads, or conversions, or orders, and the ranking changes. Because the rep who books the most revenue isn't always the one doing the most work. Look at all 4 before you draw a conclusion about anybody. Down at the bottom, 2 more views. The activity feed is everything happening across the team in real time. Who called who logged a visit, who wrote an order. And territory coverage shows each territory with its lead count, its conversions, its total deal value, and which rep owns it. That's where you spot a territory nobody is working. Now the manager screen, which is where you actually make decisions. 7 tabs. Quotas is targets per rep. Revenue, orders, leads, visits, or calls, over whatever period you pick. Set a target, and Territory Track tracks attainment against real activity, so you never have to ask anyone where they are. 9 quotas here, 80% average attainment. Hit recompute, and it recalculates from the actual orders and leads on the board. Approvals is your guardrail. You set thresholds once, the biggest discount a rep can give without asking, the deal value that needs a second look, whether deleting a lead needs sign-off. Under the line, reps just work. Over it, the request lands here. 2 pending right now, a 22% discount and a $5,600 deal value. Approve or deny right from this row, and the rep hears back immediately. Commission shows what each rep has earned, and Team Finance rolls up the money side of the whole team. Commission earned, commission still unpaid, expenses and net, per rep and in total. It's read only, which is deliberate. You can see your reps' numbers. You can't edit them. Coaching is a private one-to-one thread with each rep, separate from team chat, so feedback stays between the 2 of you. Activity gives you the raw log of what everyone did, and the audit log is the record of what you and your other managers did. Every invite, every role change, every quota, every approval, with a name and a timestamp against it. If a rep ever asks who changed something, the answer is here. That's the whole loop. The dashboard tells you how the team is doing, quotas tell them where they need to be, approvals keep the big decisions with you, and the audit log keeps everybody honest. Set it up once and you spend your time coaching instead of chasing.